Hello guys, myself Ilesh Panchala and I'm from India. I have visited Primapress since this is my 6th day. I can tell you something about the Primapress. Primapress is a very big company and they have two different companies. One is for the press brake and one is for the laser cutting machines. I have seen the entire press brake factory. The Primapress has the best quality production system and machineries over there. And this is the assemble unit where I used to visit since last 5th day. And Primapress got different quality machines such as DA58 and DA69S as well. They make really good quality machines. I have trialed the machine, I have done the quality check, and Primapress is good. That's beautiful. And Mr. Jackson's, his dream, take this factory to up here. He's a very visionary guy and you can really deal with Prima. Thank you.
Thank you.